Hello everyone, welcome back to CK24 channel. The topic which we discuss about that is hormones in human, and it is related to 10th class chapter biology subject control and coordination. Let's get start. First of all, we know about what is hormones. Hormones are chemicals released by the body to control and regulate the activity of certain cells and organs which in our body. Special glands known as endocrine gland secrete these hormones. Hormones in animals conduct a variety of functions like growth, sexual development, vegetative development, cellular respiration, metabolism, thermal production, etc. What are the function of next hormones? Hormones play an important role in control and coordination in human along with nervous system. Glands are known to secrete hormones and enzymes. There are two types of glands we listened, endocrine and exocrine. Endocrine glands like the ducts and hence release the hormones directly into the blood. It's released directly into the blood, and blood carries the hormones from the site of secretion to the site of action. Exocrine glands contain ducts, and hence the site of synthesis of glands is same as their site of action. The enzymes produced by the exocrine glands are not dependent on blood. Here, enzymes produced by exocrine glands are not dependent on blood like endocrine glands to carry them to their respective site of action. Now, the next point, types of exocrine glands, right? Holocrine glands, exocrine glands, holocrine glands. Holocrine glands will release whole broken open cells into their ductal system. These cells contain the stores of substance to be released by the gland. Marrocline glands, marrocrine or eccrine glands release their substance directly out into the duct through cellular channels or pores with no loss of cell structure or membrane. This is the most common type of exocrine gland, which is the most common marrocrine glands or eccrine glands. The next type, apocrine glands. Apocrine glands release their secretion by building off a part of their cellular cytoplasm and membrane. This bud contains the secreted substance in and is released into the ductal system. Let's focus on some examples. Here on your screen you can see example of exocrine glands, lacrimal gland, tear ducts and glands near each eye, mammary glands, breast milk, eccrine sweat glands, perspiration or salty water release, salivary glands, saliva consisting of fluid with digestive enzymes, pancreas, pancreatic juice with digestive enzymes into the stomach, liver, wily green-brown fluid that contains salt and digestion substance. Note here, pancreas and liver are also considered endocrine glands because they also secrete other substance into the blood stream. You can see here the figure of your endocrine glands and hormones secreted. Here is the brain, hypothalamus, pineal, pituitary gland, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus. Here is the pancreas. Here is the adrenal, ovary in female, testis in male. Right? So, glands. Pituitary gland. It is a master gland and it is single. Location present in the hypothalamus of the brain. The part hypothalamus of the brain function. What is the function of the pituitary gland? It controls growth and controls secretion of other glands. What is the deficiency here? Hypopituitarism, short supply of pituitary hormones can affect any number of your body's routine function such as growth, blood pressure, reproduction. The next one you can see on the screen, hypothalamus. Where is the location of hypothalamus? Hypothalamus region of the brain lying below the thalamus. What is the functions of this gland? It regulates the body temperature. So someone have to ask you which regulate body temperature, which gland? You can easily reply the answer. Hypothalamus gland. Where it is located? It is located in brain below the thalamus. What is the deficiency of it? Hypothalamic dysfunction includes head injuries, certain genetic disorder, tumor, anorexia or bulimia, right? Next are pineal glands. It is single in our human body. Present, it is also present in brain. What is the function of pineal gland? It develops serotonin, derivatives of melatonin, which can affect sleep. What is the deficiencies? The low melatonin concentration were related to the increased depressive symptomatology, especially sadness, bodily discomfort, inner tension, and sleepiness. If it is decreased in your body, what type of the you can feel, human will feel, right? So there is a human become sadness, bodily discomfort, inner tension, and sleeplessness. The next, thyroid gland. What is the function of the thyroid gland? You can see here on the screen, and also we are discussing about first gland, that is location, that is function, and when thyroid glands have a deficiency, what type of the disease or what type of problem our body face. Thyroid gland, it is available in the body paired, present in the anterior neck region below the Adam's apple. Function produces thyroxine, contains iodine. Responsible for metabolic rate, healthy hair, and skin affect the heart rate. If it is in less according to the requirement of the body, the lack of iodine causes deficiency of thyroxine which develops a goitre. When the lackness of thyroid glands, we get a disease that is called goitre. In Hindi, घेघा रोग बोलते हैं इसको. The next, parathyroid gland. It is also impaired, available in the human body. It is present above the thyroid gland. What is the function? It is a parahormone, controls and regulates the level of calcium and phosphorus. It is very important elements in our body, right? You know very well, our teeth are made up of calcium. Okay, when the parathyroid glands have any deficiency, what we will face or what will be the human body face? Lack of parathyroid hormone cause hypocalcemia and hyperphosphatemia, which causes the bones to become brittle. Osteoporosis, or you can say osteoporosis. This type of disease we will face. Now the next gland which we will know, thymus. Thymus gland. It is located in the upper anterior, that means front part of the chest, directly behind sternum and between lungs. It helps in the functioning of the adaptive immune system, and it is produce T cells and maturity of the thymus. If it is in deficiency form, what can? Myasthenia gravis occurs when the thymus is abnormally large. Again I am repeating, myasthenia gravis occurs in the thymus is abnormally large. The next gland, pancreas. Is nowadays very viral, no? All are so many people are in diabetic, no? Due to the function of pancreas. Let's see what is pancreas. Islets of Langerhans. Islets of Langerhans. It is present behind the stomach. These glands produce insulin crucial to maintain blood sugar level. What's that? If it is not according to the requirement of the body, deficiency of insulin causes diabetes. Diabetic you can say, diabetes you can say, as you wish, right? So now, adrenal gland. Adrenal gland paired, it is present above the kidney and function produce the adrenal produces adrenaline fight or fight flight hormone. Function include increases heartbeat, supplies more oxygen to muscles, increases breathing rate, lower blood supply to the digestive organs, and increases supply to the skeletal system. Adrenal sufficiency caused by Addison's disease or autoimmune adrenalis, autoimmune adrenalis. The next glands, tests. It's also present in our body in pair. It is present outside the pelvic region and produces testosterone. Testosterone responsible for secondary sexual characters, puberty, sperm production. Lack of secretion of testosterone would result in hypogonadism, which body does not to produce primary male hormones, leads to infertility. The next one, ovaries. It is also paired, present inside the pelvic region and produces estrogen, progesterone, small amount of testosterone, responsible for secondary sexual characters, puberty, egg production. Lack of secretion of these hormones would result in infertility and delay the onset of puberty. Some important hormones which are also very important to know. Now let's see on the screen some. Estrogen. This is the main sex hormone. Estrogen is the sex hormone present in women who bring about puberty. prepares the uterus and body for pregnancy, and even regulates the menstrual cycle. Estrogen level changes during the menopause, because of which women experience many uncomfortable symptoms. Progesterone. It is the female sex hormone also responsible for menstrual cycle, pregnancy and embryogenesis. Cortisol. It has been named as the stress hormone. It is known as stress hormone as it helps the body in responding to stress. This is done by increasing the heart rate, elevating blood sugar levels, etc. Melatonin. It primarily controls the circadian rhythm or sleep cycle. Testosterone. Testosterone. This is the main sex hormones present in men who cause puberty, muscles mass growth and strength, increases bone density and handle facial hair growth. Right? So now this is the today's session. That's it for today. Thank you. Have a nice day to all of you, my dear viewers.